My name is Sven Mellin and I work as a design engineer at Alfa Laval, Lund, Sweden. My job is to focus on the customer needs. The feature area I work with is parts outside the plate package. Here we have a new important feature in the next generation gasketed plate heat exchanger. When you assemble plates, you move the pressure plate to one side of the unit. The function of the roller is to make it easy to move. Before we had a roller on the top of the carrying bar, and now we have been able to move it down to this part, which we call the T-Profile. It's much more easy to open and close the unit because it's more easy to move. The size on the whole unit will be lower because you don't need a roller on the top of the carrying bar. Here you have a roof for this part, so it's more clean here. If you have dust, the wheel can stop when you try to move it. For a customer, it will be a problem to service the unit if it's hard to move the pressure plate. With this feature, we have less risk for jamming and also a more compact unit. This means it's easier to service and more reliable.